Hello everyone! In this video series, Windmill PPM will demonstrate the enhanced usability of the modern UI by performing a task in both the classic and modern user interfaces. In this video, you will see how it is more intuitive and requires fewer mouse clicks in the modern UI to filter on a field which is not in the default filter view. Let's add the work status field to the project list filter and filter the list for projects which have a work status of active or on hold. We'll begin by navigating to the projects list in Classic. On the Projects List page, we're going to add the Work Status field to the filter, so we'll expand the filter section if it's collapsed. Click on the Options icon in the upper right. Next, click the Configure option. Hover over the List Filter section tab and click Layout. Click in the available columns and type W for Work Status. Highlight the Work Status field. You may need to click the scroll down to see it. Click the right arrow to move the Work Status field to the selected column section. Click Save to save the layout. The Work Status is a short list of values in a lookup, and by default it displays as a browse. But we want it to be a multi-select pull-down list. So hover over the List Filter section tab and click on Fields. Click on the Properties icon next to Work Status. Click the down arrow in the Display Type field and choose Pull Down. Check the radio button for multi-select. Click Save and Return. Click Save and Return again to see the newly configured filter section. Click the pull down and click on the active and on hold values. Click the Filter button to filter the list for projects which have a work status of active or on hold. If you were keeping track, that was 14 clicks at a minimum, plus a few keystrokes. Let's do this in the modern UI. Navigate to the projects list. Click on the Show Filters button if the Add Filter box isn't already displayed in the upper left. Click in the Add Filter box and begin typing Work Status to see the Work Status field in the list. Click on the Work Status and the field is added to the filter and its values are displayed. Check the boxes next to Active and On Hold and hit the Tab key. The list is filtered and now displays only projects which have a work status of active or on hold. That was 5 clicks and a tab key, as compared with the 14 or more clicks in Classic. This list view, along with the filter and its values, can be saved and recalled later. If you would like to explore transitioning from Classic PPM to the modern UI, Windmill PPM can help you, just as we've helped several organizations make their transition as smooth as possible. Contact us at ppminfo@windmill.com. Welcome to the modern UI in Clarity.